got a 2006 Vet in here today, one of my personal favorites with a beautiful LS2 motor in there. Once again, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe, drop some comments if you got any questions. Customer brought us his Corvette today. He pretty much wanted to do a muffler delete. He had MagnaFlows in the back and he wanted it louder, and he just wanted to go with the muffler delete, be pretty rowdy. So that's exactly what we did. We cut off 2 MagnaFlows here in the back, replaced it with some straight pipe, put his 4-inch quads back on, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna bring it down and fire it up. Should sound pretty sweet. So this is strictly just a muffler delete on a Corvette.